Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some turn on fast startup option is missing in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your search option and type a command prompt. Open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Okay guys, after opening that, type a command is power cfg space slash hibernate on and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, type a edit power plan. Go to your power options, click and choose what the power button do. Now you can see that turn on fast recommendation is enabled. Click on save changings. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.